What's up YouTube, it's your boy James back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you a full detailed review for the Air Jordan 1 Low in the UNC colorway. Now at the time of this recording, I do not believe that this sneaker has yet to release at any retailers, so I do think that this is going to be an early in-hand review for you guys. And we start right now. I would like to take a quick moment out just to thank all my returning viewers and subscribers for once again taking the time out to stop by here and watch another video. I appreciate all the continued support. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. But if this is the first time you're seeing my face, my name is James and I do content on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you all could do me a big favor and please hit that like button for me, it really helps to put my videos out in front of more people and helps my channel grow. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. One of the hottest and most hyped sneakers of 2021 was the Air Jordan 1 High OG in the University Blue or UNC colorway. Now that sneaker sold out really quick, and even though we have seen that sneaker restock several times, if you're like me, you caught L after L after L in that sneaker. And unless you're out there willing to spend about $400 out on the resale market, you probably don't yet have that sneaker in your collection. But Jordan Brand is about to drop the Air Jordan 1 Low UNC, and I do have that sneaker right here in my possession, and we're gonna take a look at it right now. Bam! Now, this does come in your typical Air Jordan 1 Low box. It's just a simple black box. You do get a gold Jumpman on the lid. You do get a gold 23 on this side where the size tag is, and then you get a gold Jumpman on this side right here. Now, the official size tag on this sneaker reads Air Jordan 1 Low, and the colorway is white, powder blue, obsidian. This sneaker is going to retail for $100, and this is a personal pair size 8. Now I actually purchased these from GOAT for a pretty good price. So inside of the box here, I do get a GOAT sticker. And then you're gonna have your GOAT verified authentication and quality control right there. Now you will have this white tissue paper and it does have the gold 23 imprinted all over the paper. And let's take our first up close look at this sneaker, the Air Jordan 1 Low UNC. Bam! Drop a comment down below, let me know what your first impression of this sneaker is right out of the box. Now, right out of the box, my first impression of this sneaker is I really do like this colorway a lot. I've been chasing that Air Jordan 1 High, pretty much every month. I've just been unsuccessful in every restock that's come out. And I just haven't really wanted to pay $400, $450 for that sneaker. So to be able to get this Air Jordan 1 Low in basically the same colorway is a very nice consolation prize for me. Now this sneaker in my opinion is pretty dope. I mean, I really do like it. The hits between the University Blue, the white, and the black is a nice contrast. They really do blend together. It's just a very nice solid colorway. All right, so getting into the review, let's take an up close look at it and check out the materials. Now starting up here at the top, you're gonna get this blue synthetic leather, and it's not the softest, but it's not the hardest. It's basically like any general release Jordan 1 Low that you would typically get. Same materials basically. And that's gonna continue down the eyelets around the entire front toe box. Basically most of the body of the shoe. And then right here you're gonna get white synthetic panel right there with the black Nike swoosh. It does come with black laces, no other laces come in the box or anything like that. I think it would look dope if you had some baby blue laces on it. I think it would pop, but the black, they look pretty good there. You will get a black lace loop right there with the number 23 in black. And then at the top of the tongue, you're going to get the Jordan Jumpman in that University Blue color. Now on the front toe box, you will get this synthetic leather right here with the perforated holes. And it's not the softest, guys, like just to be honest with you. It's not terrible, but it's basically like any other Jordan 1 Low. And then right here, you're gonna get an all white rubber midsole. And then on the bottom of the sneaker, you're gonna get that University Blue outsole that's over the entire sneaker in that classic Air Jordan 1 design. And then on the back of the sneaker, you will get this Air Jordan Wings logo that is stitched in black. Inside of the sneaker, you will get a black sock liner, and then inside of it, you will get that baby blue UNC insole with the Jordan Jumpman in black. Now, even though this is an Air Jordan 1 low and the materials on this sneaker are not the most premium, this is not comparable to the Air Jordan 1 high at all as far as the materials go. But the price point of this only being $100 and the colorway on this sneaker, I do think a lot of people will be going after this to pick it up, whether they, buy it on the actual release day at a retailer, or even if they have to go out on the secondary market like GOAT or eBay or StockX. I do think a lot of people are going to be picking this up whenever they find out about it. But now that I did the review, let me go ahead and show you what they look like on feet. Overall, I'm very happy with my purchase of this sneaker. I did pick this up from GOAT, like I said earlier in the video. I paid around like $140 for it, and I wasn't even aware that these were coming out. Like, I was actually on GOAT's website looking for another sneaker, and this just happened to come across my attention. And this colorway has just been so popular all year that, I just wanted to get this into my collection because, the colorway is dope. Like, let's be honest, this is gonna match a lot of, outfits and things like that. Like, you can wear this sneaker with pretty much anything in this colorway. So, I'm happy that I was able to secure a pair. Now, I do think that whenever these do drop at retailers, they're gonna sell out. Yeah, I do think we might take L's on Jordan 1 lows. It's just, the colorway is just so hyped, and people are gonna buy it. And when it comes to sizing, guys, definitely go true to size. So whatever size you typically normally wear in an Air Jordan 1, that's what you're gonna wanna pick up here. I always pick up a size 8. That's what I picked up here. It fits me perfectly. I have no complaints. Definitely go true to size. But I wanna know what you think about this Air Jordan 1 low in the UNC colorway. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Is this dope or is this trash? Comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching this video. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, please hit that like button for your boy. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.